been 11 years since I handed mine. Since someone said, boy, you're doing just fine. I've tried bar stools, I've tried slow songs, tried talking about nothing way too long. Every time I think it might be real, it fades out somewhere past the second meal. I ain't bitter, I ain't mad, just a lonely kind of hopeful bad. I still believe love's out there somewhere, just keeps missing me, I swear. So I do what I know, what I've always done, chasing sunrise, outrunning dawn. If love won't stay, that's alright, I'll love this road and these oranges tonight. I see couples in the checkout line, laughing about nothing, wasting time. I smile polite, then look away, back to the job that don't betray it. Don't ask questions, don't change its mind, just needs strong hands and a little grind. This truck don't judge my heart, it just needs me to do my part. I ain't bitter, I ain't mad, just a lonely kind of hopeful bad. I still believe love's out there somewhere, just keeps missing me, I swear. So I do what I know, what I've always done, chasing borders, chasing sun. If love won't stay, that's alright, I'll love this road and these oranges tonight. Maybe someday she'll understand, a man like me, this life I ran. Till then I'll keep my wheels in line and my heart somewhere between the lines. 11 years makes a man think slow about what he wants and what he knows. I don't need perfect, don't need fame, just someone saying my first name. I ain't giving up, I ain't through, still saving a seat for someone new. But until that knock comes on my door, I'll do this work, I know for sure. Love may find me down the line, but tonight I'll be just fine. Headlights on, horizon bright, loving this life and these oranges tonight. But tonight, this'll do just fine.